hell, if we've been honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days I don't know what I want to do or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, what's up? It's literally me, Shy. Should I even like should I just enter like that all the time or no? Like I said, if you don't know me, if this is your first time watching my videos, it's me, Shy, and y'all, I know y'all get tired of me saying ignore my hair, but like seriously, ignore it right now. I know I just got it done, but ignore it now because I just got off work and I'm tired. I've done a lot today. But let's get into this video. Before we get into it, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stuff is just falling all over my vanity, y'all. By the way, happy Vlogmas. So, you guys, today I want to give a little review on Skims times Nike collab. That's what this is, right? Yeah, I believe so. I believe so. So you guys, these are some Skims times Nike plans. Oh, I'm so unprepared, y'all, because I do not know the, let me look. I need to go on my Skims app. But I don't know the name of them. This is so unlike me. Usually I have all my stuff together. That's how you know, like, I'm a little off today. Just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Alright. So these are called the, I'm going to show y'all on the phone if it focus. Y'all can see. Y'all can see. They are called the Nike Skims Matte Tricot Side Snap Pants. Y'all, I actually have worn these before. Great fit. Very stretchy. They were 108. I literally, and I got them in a size small. This is me for reference. But I'm 5 feet, by the way, and they fit perfect. Like, really, if y'all know skin stuff, you could almost, oh, my edge is so crusty and dry, I need to wash them tomorrow. But if you know skin stuff, you literally can downsize and be okay. And I literally feel like I could have got an extra small. Really though. But here they are. They are actually something on mine. Oh, hecky no. I don't know what this is on here. Did like they get accidentally bleached or something? I don't know. I don't know. That's crazy, right? I don't know. Hopefully that just comes right off. I don't know what that is. They're clean though. I wore them once. Yeah, it's something on here, right here too. Yeah, I think that comes out. But this is literally my favorite part of the pants, y'all. This little part. So cute, right? They have buttons that come down the sides, and one con about these, like, I love the pants, I really love them. They were really comfortable when I wore them. They're very cool. Like, even I wore them when it was kind of warm outside. So like, and I seen like Kim post like people working out in them, but I'm like, y'all really not working out in these, because like they kind of heavy too. So like, they're not heavy, but it's like, who wants to work out in these? I know I don't. My preference, I wouldn't want to work out in these. They do have pockets. But the only con is these right here. Y'all, I kept accidentally going into this part and I thought it was my pocket, and they kind of pop open real easily. Like, I don't like that. I don't like that they kind of pop open easily. I feel like it should take some strength, but it don't. They kind of pop open easily. I don't like that about these. But overall, they are some good pants. This is my only Y'all can see. I don't like that spot. I don't know where it came from. When I smell it, it just smells like laundry detergent. So maybe I don't know what got on these. Maybe it's dried up laundry detergent. IDK. But we will find out. We will soon find out. Y'all. I don't know. What's that about? That just kind of messed me up. Because like I said, they some $100 pants. Child, Afterpay. But, yeah. I like them a lot. I do. The fit is good. It's even on the booty. It is on the booty too, y'all. I don't know what's going on with that. It's great material. You know how you get something that like some of Skims stuff, I'm not gonna even lie, like the early on like dresses that she made, like it kind of feels a little cheap for the price you're paying. But this is like, I don't know if it's because it's Nike, but this material is like A1, y'all. A1. In regular size, I'm usually like a medium-ish. So if you're thinking about whenever they restock, because they've been restocking a lot lately. Whenever you're thinking about getting these, when they do restock, hopefully they do restock. If you're looking at this video and want to know how they fit, definitely size down. Because whatever you think you are, you're not in Skims. It's going to be way too oversized. But that's how they dress the Kardashian. They dress like really oversized. And it's either oversized or no clothes. But yeah, y'all, I do like them. And that is my honest review on them. The only con I would say is probably the side buttons. But that's about it, y'all. Thank you for watching a quick Vlogmas video with me. Let me try to get a good thumbie in. Even though it's not going to be so good because at the end of the day, my hair looks crappy. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch y'all up on another vlog.